Hello everybody, my name is Rosanna Miller. I was a PUMAS intern in the summer of 2022 in Jorge Palet's lab, as well as this summer 2023, in Ansu Satpathy's lab.
Hi, my name is Hannah Mohabit, and I was a 2019 PUMAS intern in the PAUSE lab.
Hello everyone, my name is Nini Lee. I am Gladstone PUMAS intern in 2023.
The PUMAS program actually transformed my view on graduate school and research overall. I thought I didn't want to have anything to do with research or anything labeled medical, but the PUMAS program has actually helped me discover that I really like putting my knowledge and my efforts towards solving a problem on human health.
I knew that I wanted to become a physician one day, but I didn't know how much I wanted research to be intertwined with my goals. After the research program that summer, I was able to present my findings to a conference, and through that conference I realized how important it was to be able to incorporate research as well as medicine with one's patients.
One of the best memories I remember the most when everything gone wrong, when my experience is not going on the right track and I feel like not good enough, and my mentor told me, remember that is the experience is for, it's not me the one who falls. So that is what I learned the most, and that is the attitude I would like to remember.
My favorite part of the PUMAS program is actually connecting with other researchers, whether it's different research associates, different interns, postdocs, PIs. I really loved surrounding myself with really passionate people.
The mentorship that I had received have been tremendous, and I continue to have relationships with them. And I would not have gotten this far without the PUMAS program, Dr. Paz, or the lab members.
The PUMAS program has opened me up to a lot of options in my professional and academic future. And just being able to connect with people a little more personally in this crazy academic and professional area has helped me really feel part of the scientific community.